Wow. What a beautiful day to be visiting Boca Grande. I feel like I'm in the Keys.
Wasn't it beautiful, Jim?
It's a very gorgeous day.
Oh, we got lucky.
You're very lucky.
Because it was going to rain.
Yes.
Oh, it is absolutely gorgeous. Look. See, that's where we used to walk. Remember on the corner down here?
Sure.
Look at that house they're building there, Jim.
Now, are we on Boca Grande? No.
This is really called Gasparilla Inn.
Oh, it's called.
And the other one's little.
So Boca Grande is on
I think
Gasparilla Island. It's not Boca Grande Island.
No, it's Gasparilla
Okay,
Inn. So lucky, Jim.
I know. It was kind of cloudy. We weren't sure if we should come here today, but I think we got
And
like a perfect day.
100% chance of rain was
Yes.
the prediction. There's two beach areas. One is the beach area, and one will be the lighthouse.
Hey, champ, you looking forward to your trip at Boca Grande?
Yes. And did you notice, because we're further south, how many more coconut palms there are?
I love coconut palms.
Me too.
God, I wonder who lives behind those hedges.
I bet there's a hedge fund manager there.
Popular form of transportation is golf carts here in Boca Grande.
You've walked around the town before, right?
Small amounts, yeah.
And those little churches, they're pretty cute.
There are several beach accesses to the public. They don't have changing facilities, though. I'm so excited.
That's the lighthouse.
That is the lighthouse.
Let's see what $6 gets you when you come to Boca Grande. Look at this gorgeous white beach, sugary, powdery sand. I can't believe the view here. In case you're wondering, that's my wife, the champ. You're not really supposed to be taking dogs to the beach here. The champ is a guide dog training for Southeastern. So, champ has a VIP pass. Look at the lush aqua and emerald tones of the water here. Spectacular. And this walking trail will take you to historic Gasparilla Island Lighthouse.
So we're looking for, I believe this is called the Beachside
No, it's
Restaurant?
called the South Beach. Right
South
here.
Beach Bar and Grill.
And there's a second lighthouse in Boca Grande too. Just a perfect day to go fishing here in Boca Grande. Some young lovers.
See these? Look, see all these old.
Very nice.
These are beautiful houses. They're gorgeous.
This is actually nicer than Key West.
I like this a lot.
Okay, so now we're approaching downtown Boca
Do
Grande.
you want to walk around? We can get out of the car and I'll
But
walk
we'll
around.
drive first,
Okay.
right? A lot of art studios, bars, boutiques. Fugate's, it's been a long time clothing and tourist emporium. On the right hand side is the Loose Caboose restaurant where you can dine al fresco. We're passing Gasparilla Outfitters and Hudson's Grocery where they have beverages, ice, and ice cream.
And rotisserie chicken.
Oh, there's rotisserie chicken too?
Yes.
Pink Pony.
Is a popular place to get ice cream here in Boca Grande.
And bakery.
This is almost like what you think Nantucket is like, right? But smaller scale. Look at their big fire department for the small island. With all those wooden houses and churches, they need it. Banyan tree Pilates and yoga.
I'm passing the Lighthouse United Methodist Church.
Park right here, Jim.
You sure about? I don't think so.
It says just past that sign, no parking.
All these bikes we could have rented. Another popular dining room is the Temptation restaurant. They also have lunch, and they say steak is available anytime. And here we're on Fugate, the classic place for home decor and souvenirs. Long an institution here. And part of the quintessential experience is Lilly Pulitzer. Everyone loves Lilly. And now we're at the beautiful Gasparilla Inn, one of the most exquisite historic places in Boca Grande. Built around 1900, luminaries including the Bush family and Katharine Hepburn have all stayed here. This is great too. And now we're walking along the beach here at Boca Grande. The best beaches in all of Florida can be found at the private beach at Boca Grande's Gasparilla Inn. Look at the water, the waves. Everyone's having a good time here at the Gasparilla Inn. Gee, even a cottage in this place goes for about $2 million. How about that? This one, for example, at $1,600 is over $4 million. Go figure.
Look at this little pink cottage, Jim. Is that it?
Oh, that is
That's
so
beautiful.
adorable.
This restaurant. Oh, the pink elephant.
I heard about the pink elephant.
I saw
But that's more fancy, I'm sure. And in case you wonder where you go fishing, to rent charters, or bring a big boat here in Boca Grande, it's this marina right here, very close to the Gasparilla Inn.
This is the elite gym here.
What is open? What the hell is this?
This is another
The Gasparilla Island Maritime Museum.
Oh.
Oh, in Thunder, Sarasota. And here's Whidden's Marina Shop and Tackle. This is old Florida at its best. It says all fishermen are liars except you and me. You can get gas for your boat here. A lot of these boats are available for charters. There's some sailboats here too. And now we're passing Whidden's Marina. They have a bait shop and store. I love these vintage doors. Look at the wood floors. A very cute old dog. Lots of character. I love this place. Hey, I hope you enjoyed Boca Grande. And remember to subscribe to the Tie Down CPA channel.